Okay, start.
I say, Mama, how did you?
Mama, that Saturday, I enter kitchen and cook. I finish cook.
Understand?
Enter parlor. Me and Piki we should not parlor. We finish chop. Then me and Piki do tori. My step Piki come out for front door. My water they calm down. I say, you carry two Piki there for this for his house. We stand. Stand so. After now, water fed bloody person we room then they carry up go and interpalo. Now so the scatter all thing go. As we stand now, my last one be there with toilet. Since I run for now for that walk for toilet. Stand for they not go down. Stand for they not go down. Now, as we take our follow now, that my fridge now it make a block door, window door. But then we stand so. I might get picking, carry two in there. We stand so they water they come down. Water they blow me soup. Water for you rock up to the even before the people for scatter all house. All within the go. My neighbor where you picking go so. Now the one of them will say we are friends. You picking when not be day. When not be day. All the kako so good.
Where?
Don't be saying we get pen, we say no get food. Don't say picking get good food, don't get pen. No nothing, no day.
So now keep you now for house.
And it's also my friend for down there. Now one time where they come here.
What's that picking then day?
They don't go down there. They don't go down.
Now give una close them and.
You one of my friend give me.
Your friend is still down there.
Yes.
Your name now waiting.
Abata is Mbata is
Mbata. How many picking that you get on? Also your Monday. Okay.
Wow. No, not for the time.
Okay, I'm not retire what so now only one way your couple come up for here.
No, we four. Yeah, so one day hospital where he lost a last bomb. That I get
Okay.
Two the day hospital.
Then the other two then they will say.
So one don't go back for a kata. So I'm here you there for here. He don't go leave sister police or you think they will go. So go make some declaration from us. Right?
Asha. No worry, we go for thank God say it's spare una life. Not be so. If cargo self go, but you dey alive for picking them and the whole family, your husband. We thank God for that one. Yeah. God still like we plenty because for bad person, not be so.
Even for night or for
if not for night, sometimes una for day for bed they sleep. Then una one year bad.
Lucky say na weekend.
Yes. No, God day.
God gives grace for anything. So
yes.
Thank
all right.
Everything.
This, mommy, the way they time, well, they ask you the question. So, no, it's okay. We have some small groups so we'll call we self say unpassive members. Now we will come for looking so that we figure on Asha will come back. All the whole group will come back. We just say more can identify the people then. So where they get the trouble.
Mama, I get to
yes, we'll take the information. All right. I just hope I'm doing the right thing.
You like neighbor, what to be your own name?
Mommy, my own name now. Ikome. Buea.
Can you come and stand here too? Later, they will interview her to you. Come and stand here.
All right, Mommy.
My own name now Ikome Buea.
All right.
So, what the way I see I'm from the beginning, from the water flow, say houses that don't be built in this gutter where water the pass.
Sorry.
But from that way I grow from small. houses they no be don't ever be built here.
Okay.
From
Because why they not be the big houses for here?
so as they become look at say water no they come again.
No,
So-
I don't ask you say why before they not be the big houses for here. Because
Because
water
there
be
be
the
no
pass,
say
water
na
the pass.
passage
Okay.
water.
For
Na road for water.
There be no say na passage for water.
Yes.
So as they take privilege, as water no be they come again. So people proceed for enter inside water
Water road.
water route. So now the thing that way it make water flow. Then he use a track. So Mama, what's the way I try for talk and say I'm glad with the government. What the government they use their position for talk say make them move their
House.
Make them move all the
Make
way
they
there for
clear the
here.
road
Make
for
the clearance
water.
so
Make
that
they
next
clear
make
the
another
track.
when water come again next time.
And any house where they 10 meters
Away.
away, make them move them.
So that they give BB road. So that if plenty water come in, not touch no man.
Make water use a
Okay.
track.
Thank you plenty.
Yes.
Thank you. We'll take video. Okay, we start here. Okay, I get one wait till your name. Okay, who say wait till the happen? Where we are on fire.
Just surprise to see water. And the water will come now, so you don't ever see particular water will come. Just be a surprise that you can destroy everything that our homes and near the school to the other side. Water will rise up and can destroy everything inside. That was a room inside house. Just because it's not like
Okay.
So you say water enter for your house,
Yeah,
it
it's
damage your cargo.
yes, everything go.
So you know, it carry thing they take and come out.
Yes, come on, the water become enough water because one of us see the one we can be.
Yeah, because
And I wrote this
no,
way
so
fast.
you still
So
small
as you
no.
stand now, so all nothing the house spoil.
Plenty they spoil. Now so don't transfer come for the other household and send me my stand for us.
Now how many be there for the house?
Maybe 7 for them.
Okay. Una no go, una can give me una name.
Our contact numbers.
Oh, you have an okay. You can write.
Around the dog.
Yes.